around 3 quantity. So remaining cotton box is having 2 quantity. And this cotton box, this material is carrying 10 quantity, full quantity. Okay. Now totally 5 cotton box we are receiving actually. Totally 5 cotton boxes we are receiving. This is the information we received from the ASN. ASN means Advanced Shipping Notification, which will be integrated systems actually. Means the inbound delivery will be carried automatically generally. This inbound delivery will be carried automatically in the real time. There are few cases like ASN cases. The ASN integration means if the vendor system is integrated with our system, okay, whenever we receive the information from vendor systematically, so the system will create this delivery automatically. And system will create these handling units based on the information from the vendor. So we received this information from the vendor actually that he is sending these goods and he is sending the goods on this date actually. Exact date and exact time will be everything will be notified. Everything will be notified how many packages we are receiving, how much of weight of the respective packaging. Every information will be received in the respective inbound delivery through ASN, Advanced Shipping Notification. You can see the ASN number in the real time. We can see external ID as ASN number. Now save it. It will distribute the delivery to EWM system. Okay. 18579. On 8579. If you see this delivery in the EWM system, this delivery having almost like 5 carton boxes it is having. 5 carton boxes it is having. Now, tell me one thing. What will happen in the shop floor? With respect to this delivery, what will happen in the shop floor exactly now? What is the delivery meaning? What is the issues or meaning? What will happen exactly in the shop floor based on this one?
Person will receive
Mm-hmm.
these are carton boxes, so we don't need forklifts. Maybe that will be assigned by the system.
Mm-hmm. We have this delivery. We are receiving these handling units. What is that meaning, guys? A truck is coming in to the warehouse. Check in. A truck is checking into the warehouse. It came inside. It came inside, and based on the availability of the doors, the vehicle got docked to the door. The vehicle got docked to the door, and the warehouse operator, based on the warehouse tasks that we created, for on functions, warehouse task. Based on the warehouse task that we created, based on that, the operator will go to the truck and he will start scanning the handling units. Once in the RF, okay, RF means I am showing you one more screen. Please don't confuse. /o /SEWM /RFUI. RF, radio frequency. RF, RF means a gun. It's a gun where the operators will carry. All these operators in the shop floor they don't have any systems. They don't have any SAP systems. All the operators here, they don't have any SAP systems. In their hands, there will be only RF gun will be there. If you see a forklift driver, manual operator, this operator, any operators, okay, they will have only RF guns. In the hands, there will be only RF guns. I don't know if you have seen the RF guns previously or not, I don't know.
We can see at toll gates also. RFM.
Toll gates, what is toll gate?
Scanning
Ah,
the,
okay, toll gate you
yeah,
mean. Okay.
yeah, the toll gate we
Yes,
do have
yes.
RFMs.
Yes, you can see the toll gates. But why you are going to toll gate? You can see in more, right? In more, the billing person, how you exactly will bill the goods that you bought? You
Yeah,
go to
there
more,
also we can see.
once
Yeah,
you buy
yeah.
the product, you'll have RF gun, right? You'll scan the products, right? Can you see? This is called as RF gun. This is called as RF gun. And for the RF gun, there will be one button will be there, like a gun trigger button will be there. Whenever they trigger that button, automatically one scanner will be there here actually. The scanner will be there. It will scan the barcodes. It will scan the barcodes. In this, first of all, they need to log into SAP here. This is a login for only for RF screen, which I am showing you here. Can I see? /o/SAWM/RFUI. In this case, can you see? The operator will log in here. The operator will log in here actually. Can you see? RF main, RF login. Means this login actually. This login they are doing actually here. And I am just logging in here. BLR1, my system test. Okay, enter. Okay, that's fine. Don't worry about this one. Give me a second. We have separate class for this one, okay? Don't worry. Go to RFUI, CWM RFUI, log into the RF gun, okay? Log into the RF gun. So I logged into RF gun now. I logged into RF gun. So this is my RF gun, okay? Here if you see, once you log in, you will see all these four options, five options you will see. Once you log in here, you will see all these five options. What exactly you would like to do? Are you would like to work on inbound? Would you like to work on outbound? Would you like to work on internal process? Means in the warehouse operator, you should tell to system that which task you need to do. What are task received? The task is inbound task or outbound task, internal warehouse process. Means what? Is working is inbound task means you need to come here, you need to unload the goods, you need to pack center, you need to go to the destination location. Outbound process means you need to go to somewhere in the finished goods area. You should take the finished goods, you need to go to the packing, you need to pack everything, and you need to move to the outbound staging area. And from here, you need to ship to customer. Internal process. Internal process means you need to move the goods here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here. Internally, you need to move the goods. Okay. System guide also same thing. Okay, where you need to move internally the goods to the respective production lines, from high racks to production lines, here to production lines, here to production lines. Everything works with the system guided. So all these things for the warehouse workers only. All the five options in the RF gun, all for the warehouse workers only, where they need to do the physical. Physically, they need to act according to the warehouse task. They cannot do on their own actually. Everything will be with respect to the warehouse task. Now, inbound process. What is the process we are receiving, guys? We are doing inbound process. Once you go to inbound process, system is asking you, can you see? System is asking you what exactly you are doing now. What exactly you are doing now. First thing is like, the last thing is like put away. Last thing is put away. But first thing is what I should do? Receiving of handling units. From the truck, receiving of handling units to the staging area. Unloading of handling units. Can you see? Receiving by delivery, receiving by shipment, receiving by TU, receiving by ASN, receiving by door, receiving by manufacturing order. Okay, this part generally it will be based on the production order. Produced goods it will be there. This part is for the only for produced goods from the production. Now what are the options we have, guys? Now which option I need to select now? With respect to which option I need to receive the inbound now? The operator will select which option now to receive the sorry,
ASN.
ASN number. Do you have ASN number in the delivery?
Yes.
Yes, this is my ASN number. And I have inbound delivery number in my system. Can I use this one also? CHUB delivery.
Yes.
This one means this delivery. This delivery number.
Okay.
Receive HU by ASN, receive HU by delivery. Anything is fine, okay? HU by delivery. Give the delivery number. Just scan the delivery number, okay? Means how user will get to know this delivery number, guys? Or ASN number. Just take ASN number, okay? I am taking ASN number. How user will get to know the ASN number? F7, go back. Just go back. User will get to know the ASN number. How user will get to know this number? If you tell this answer, I am damn sure that you'll get the job within 3 months without any efforts. Means you are very much sync. How is the user will get to know this one? Operator, warehouse operator will get to know this ASN number. If you know this one, you are very much synced with EWM. How warehouse operator will get to know this part? I'm giving you one more clue. Warehouse operator cannot see this delivery at all. Warehouse operator cannot see this delivery at all.
Scanning the handling units.
Sorry, repeat again.
Handling units, by scanning the handling units.
By scanning handling unit, you'll get the delivery automatically.
ASN number will you get?
Where exactly it will be there?
Package.
Sorry,
Mm,
almost nearby, okay, but not exactly.
packaging specification. I think packaging number.
No,
When we scan it to the RF gun, it reflects on the system.
sorry.
When we scan the received goods, the ASN number shows up on the RF gun. Is it?
I didn't get the question first of all. If you scan the
If we scan the handling units with the RF gun,
uh-huh.
then the ASN number reflects
No,
on the RF gun.
no.
Okay.
In the purchase order,
The warehouse operator is not having any details first of all. The warehouse operator, he don't have system first of all. He don't have any system. He's just having RF gun. That's it. He's having only RF gun. It is used to only scan. That's it.
Ram, I think when he will scan the shipment, the barcode of the shipment, it should show the SN.
Yes, that is called HU label generally. If you see HU label, every handling unit that will receive the system actually, any company if you go, if you are receiving any handling units, okay, if you are receiving any kind of handling units, any kind of packaging you are receiving, you will receive like with respect to these labels actually. If you see, you will see with respect to these labels. Try to observe when you buy a laptop. When you buy a laptop, you will not see all those things, but you are receiving it a big company now. When you're receiving a big company with full amount of cost, you will receive all the information in a HU label actually. In a carton box, okay, for carton box labels will be there. For a pallet labels will be there. For everything, labels will be there. If you see, in this case, this is my ASN number. In this case, this is my ASN number. For ASN number, the one small barcode will be there. You can scan that. You can scan this one also. No, normally I'll give one small barcode, okay. To scan the ASN number, I'll do one small barcode here. With respect to this number, or barcode will generate here. So the RF gun will scan this barcode and it will trigger this ASN number.
Ram, when we maintain the inbound delivery, the shipping notification, okay, do we send the ASN to the vendor?
The ASN will be sent by the vendor actually to you, company.
Okay.
You will not send the information to vendor, okay. You will send the PO information to vendor actually. This is a PO I created. You know to deliver the goods by this date, okay. Now vendor will send the ASN. Before sending the goods, he will send the ASN information, where in the ASN information he is sending all the information of delivery date, what type of handling units he is sending, how many handling units he is sending, what is the weight of the handling unit. Everything is the ASN, advanced shipping notification, that he is sending before delivering the goods to the plant. So that he's informing us to arrange the space, arrange the workers, arrange the things, okay. So he's informing before only, before sending the goods, he's informing, I will send you over this date, please arrange everything in the warehouse. Like that, in ASN is sending to the respective system.
Okay.
So each and every pallet that you are receiving will have some kind of labels. These are HU labels generally. These are called as HU labels. You can see from where exactly they are sending, to where exactly they are sending, the barcode, okay, and how much quantity they are sending, okay. All this information is there, and it is not very clear. Let me see. Let me clear screenshot. Yeah, can you see? This is a flight ticket, I think so. No, this is not a flight ticket. Fine, no problem. Okay, everything is like, some kind of HU labels will be there. In the labels, we'll have some kind of ASN numbers. So what they will do generally, various operators, they go and they scan the ASN number. So once they scan the ASN number, what will happen, guys? Once they scan the ASN number here, they'll scan it. So they'll come to the screen, they'll click on the ASN here, and they'll scan. Just that they'll scan. Okay, once they scan, what will happen? This number will update directly here automatically. Automatically, this number will update here based on the scanning actually. Once you scan, this number update will be here automatically in this field. Enter. So once you click on enter, what will happen? System will read all the details from the back end of this delivery based on this ASN number. System means the RF gun will read all these details from the inbound delivery. The RF gun will read, because RF gun is linked to SAP. The RF gun knows everything in the SAP, what is happening with respect to inbound delivery, outbound deliveries, everything. System RF gun knows everything actually. Okay, because it's part of SAP only. In the RF gun is also part of SAP only. Okay. Now in this case, system, yes.
RF gun is the end user, right?
Yeah, operator.
Okay.
Now RF gun will fetch all details from the respective inbound delivery. Because if you go to more, and if you scan in the billing counter, if the billing operator scans one of the product which you bought, okay, once you scan the product, system will take all details automatically. You know this part, right? system will take the price, system will take the quantity, system will take the product color, system will take the product number. So system will take all details automatically if you see it. If you see all details, it will take automatically. How it will take automatically? Because system knows the information. It is having the information of the product, when it was received, what is the handling unit number, what is the serial number, everything system knows the information. Because HU is in the respect to inbound delivery, and what exactly you are doing here in the inbound delivery you are receiving it. And you see now system has taken the inbound delivery number automatically. Means this number has taken automatically. System has taken the vendor automatically. From which vendor you are receiving the goods? Can you see? If you go to partner, you can see the respective vendor number. System has taken the vendor number automatically, and system has taken the number of HUs you are receiving. Number of HUs I am receiving how much? How many guys? I am receiving 5 HUs. Can you see? System is telling that 5 HUs you are receiving. The RF gun, it is telling me that. Enter guys. Once you click on enter, system is asking you, can you see? Scan the HUs. How many HUs you are receiving? 5 HUs you are receiving. How many exactly you received it? In the ASN you have 5 HUs. How many physically you received it? 0. Means you need to scan the HUs now. One by one, you need to scan now. One by one, you need to scan now. I'm scanning the first HU. Means what? I'm receiving this first HU. I'm informing the system that I received this HU. I'll go to the truck, unless I unload the goods from the truck. I'll scan this carton box now. I'm scanning this carton box now. First scan. I scanned the carton box. Can you see? Once I scan this carton box, system has taken all details automatically. In this carton box, what is the packaging material of this carton box? What is the packaging material of the carton box? And what is the product it is storing? In this carton box, what is the product it is having? And this item is fine, no problem. And how much quantity it is having? This handling unit is having how much quantity? It is having 10 quantity. It is having. So no batches, nothing. And can you see? Stock type is F1. Okay, WPT is 1010. Goods movement bin. Where exactly you are unloading? Where exactly you're unloading the goods? I'm unloading the goods to the GR staging area. I'm unloading the goods to the GR staging area. Got it? Now in this case, just think, okay. In this case, system is telling there in this HO how much quantity is there, guys? In this HO how much quantity is there?
10
quantity. But physically when you check it, there is only 8 quantity is there. What exactly we will do now? There is some mismatch will happen for sure, okay. Every company some mismatch will happen. In this HU, you received only 8 quantity. What you will do?
Use the process code.
Can I see? If don't go to process codes now only, there is a change quantity. See how process codes will use, tell me. How various operator will use process codes? How various operator will use process codes? Tell me. Various operator is doing this part. He don't have any access to SAP at all. He can't see delivery things at all. He just knows about RF gun, that's it. How exactly you will use the process codes?
No, he cannot.
Clear, right? He cannot use the process codes from the inbound delivery. What he can do?
He will update in RF gun.
We'll update in the RF gun. We'll update in the RF gun. Can you see? F1 change quantity. F1 change quantity. Actual quantity, how much you are receiving. In this case, I'll keep only 8 quantity I am receiving. In this case, I'll keep 8 quantity only I am receiving it. Can you see? System has changed the 8 quantity. For this HU, system is, I'm telling the system that I received only 8 quantity in this HU. Received only 8 quantity in the HU, I am mentioning it. Okay, now just enter. Now system is asking me that this carton box you would like to move to, you would like to unload first of all. First of all, you would like to unload. Yes, I would like to unload this carton box. This carton box, I would like to unload. Yes, click on unload. Now it is unloading the respect to carton box. Can you see? Unloaded. Okay. Now you would like to post the goods receipt. Receipt confirmation of the goods that we received for this carton box. For this carton box, you would like to post the goods receipt? Yes, I would like to post the goods receipt. Means confirmation of the reception. Can you see? goods receipt got posted from the user side. Now go here, check the status. Go to refresh this delivery. Okay, check, just refresh. Can you see what happened, guys? Here, what happened here?
Receipt completed.
Only for one handling unit, not for all handling units. Can you see?
Yeah,
This handling
partially
unit,
completed.
can you see the status of the handling unit now? B. Where exactly it was B? It is in the respective staging area. B means what? Just check here. Active. Active. A means planned. B means active. HU is active now. It is in the respective staging area. GR is partially completed. Put away is not started. Okay. Put away is not started. Goods receipt is partially completed. Okay. Now you would like to create warehouse task for put away. From the RF gun, you need to create the warehouse task for put away to put away the respective HU in the final destination location. Now warehouse operator don't know where exactly you need to do the put away. Warehouse operator don't know where exactly he need to do the put away. Who knows which location to put away, guys? Who knows that? Who knows that where exactly the operator should do the put away? Who knows that?
Forklift operator or manually?
System
Who knows
will
that?
suggest.
Sorry?
System will suggest.
Exactly. System knows that actually. No one knows that actually. Only system knows that where exactly they need to keep the pallet. Where exactly they need to the put away. Only system knows that actually. Now when we create the warehouse task for put away, system will create the put away warehouse task with respect to the put away strategies. Click on the warehouse task button. Okay. I got error now. Storage type such with template not found. Means what? He is not able to create the warehouse task for put away. What exactly you will do now, guys? He got error in RF gun actually. What exactly we'll do now? The warehouse operator got error now. What exactly he will do now?
Warehouse task needs to be created.
Yeah, but he got error right now. While creating warehouse task, he got error right now. What he will do now?
Maybe he will communicate that it is not getting created or.
Yes, he'll communicate. He will communicate to L1, L2, L3 teams that warehouse task is not getting created. I'm not able to do the put away. Now it's immediate action from our side to check what is the issue, everything. As a workaround, what we can do? We can create the warehouse task manually and we can give it to the operators. I created the warehouse task. Can you
RK,
please execute? Yes.
these are the issues we get, RK.
This is a part of that actually. Yes. This is a part of errors that you receive also. Yes. But this is very rare issue. Okay. Will not get this issue, regularly. Very rare issue. This part. This part is very rare issue. But yes, we get all these issues like this. We are getting with respect to the warehouse task in case. And some other cases you'll get with respect to the handling units, with respect to batches, other errors also you'll get it. But these are the issues you'll get it. Now warehouse operator will raise one issue now to the consultant team or else L2, L3 team, whatever they have. Okay. Now they'll give the issue here. This incident now. The incident you should resolve now. How will you resolve first of all? How exactly you will resolve? What exactly I will do is like I will go and check the respective log. Because I will have this access, okay, to these screens. I'll go and check the logs now. Click on it. I'll check the logs now. What is the error? Destination data was not found. HU storage type successfully not determined. No entry found.